if your CRM system is not connected to your website, you're missing out on a wealth of information. So that's really going to be the case study for today, because and just to explain this a bit more, the CRM is your system where all your contacts and prospects and your current customers, all of that information is put up. Now, some of those people actually going to your website and spending time on it and browsing various pages. Now, if you don't connect these two systems, you will not be able to figure out which of the contacts in your CRM are actually spending time on your website and know about your product and services, and hence are more valuable to your brand. So what we are going to be doing today is taking the case of a digital agency website which is built on Wix, and a CRM for that agency business which is on Hubspot CRM. And we are going to be seeing how we can connect these two. Now, the first thing here is that HubSpot CRM gives you a tracking code which has to be put onto the website platform, which is Wix. And that's what you have to figure out how you can do that. And secondly, you can also connect the forms given by HubSpot directly to the website. So you can kind of embed these forms onto the website so that whenever the lead gets filled onto your Wix website, it automatically comes into the HubSpot CRM. So that's really what you have to do. You'll need to have a basic understanding of the backend of both Wix and HubSpot CRM to do this case study. Thank you.